Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, testing the system. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both Flare Network and Songbird at the time of the recording, guys. Let's see what they have been up to. So, guys, this is Flare Network. If you look at the yearly chart, Flare is up 53.48% in the year. It went all the way from 0.008331 to 5 cents almost. And since that time, guys, it is dipping. It has corrected. And around 2 cents, we find crucial support levels. So maybe it rebounds back from these levels. Let's see how it does. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, it is down 70.27%. So these might be crucial by areas. Like I told you guys, the 2 cent mark seems to be a crucial buy area. Let's see how it goes, because we're seeing good news about Flare, and recent developments about F assets and all of that stuff might pressurize the price to go up. But guys, recently the market has been in the red. In the last month, the price is down 16.09%. This seems to be the 0.027 seems to be a good attraction point, the magnet point. The price comes back to these areas time and again. Let's hope that the price goes back up here and beyond from there. In the last 7 days, it is down 10.92%. In the last day, it is down 5.14%. The entire market has been red, guys. By the way, if we look at the Songbird chart, it is also down 1.04%, but in comparison to Flare, in the last 7 days, it is not much down, only 0.33%. In the last month, it is on the contrary, guys, it is up 1.25%. It even went as high as 0.012, and since that time it has come back down, and it is basically testing this monthly support over here. In the last year, guys, it is up 51.27%. Crucial support levels over here as well, 0.0082 seems to be a good support. The all-time chart, as you know, a Songbird is extremely undervalued, guys. It is down 96.82%. Anyways, guys, let me show you this latest update about Flare Network. Check this out, guys. XRPL testnet is now back. Here's what we've achieved in 4 days. 2,000 address participated, 8,319 mints, and 5,536 redeems. 2.7 million F-test XRP minted and 1 million redeemed. The famous F assets open beta, guys, is about testing all aspects of the system. So let's get those redemption numbers up. So check this out, guys. Total minted F-test XRP, total number of redeems, total redeemed F-test XRP, total number of mints. Check this out: mint value, mint count, transferred to address, transferred from address. Yeah, these are the addresses. F-test XRP with date filters. What are the people saying? The demo for F-test XRP minting and redemption is live on Coston fassetmintdemo.flare.rocks. Let us look into this. Let us open this. So this is the website, guys. Before you start to use demo app, you will need to set up Bifrost wallet, install or get the latest version of Bifrost wallet over here. Then you have to enable developer mode, guys. You can do it over here. You need enough test network funds. get your test XRP over here, get your CFLR here, and then you can mint your F assets, guys. Let's connect first, connect Bifrost wallet. So this is the process. Those of you that are interested to check this beta out, the F assets beta, you guys can test it out over here by connecting it. Let's see what's new over here. That wasn't so bad. Now what? And do I need to mint every day? Great progress in just 4 days. Looking forward to seeing increased adoption and redemption rates. Done. It's a lengthy process. Back to work. Explain how to set up. Has anyone commented over here? Yeah, they have explained it already on their website. You guys can check it out. What's new? Okay, so the hackathon magic continues at the after party. Join the exclusive after party for the Ethereum Global Brussels experience powered by Flare Networks on Sunday, July 14th. Liquid staking comes to Flare Network. So, guys, this seems to be an interesting post over here. Let us look into this. F assets versus existing bridges, guys. Why is the F asset system different? F assets is the first verifiably economically secure bridge. F assets ensures the total value of the collateral is always greater than the bridged asset, eliminating economic incentives for attacks. Thanks for the invite. So, guys, let us look into this. What is Hugo Filion saying? Just a moment.
Can you tell us just a little bit of an overview of the F assets? When will F assets release on Flare mainnet? Just kind of walk us through what those represent within the ecosystem.
Okay, so you can think of F assets as a dApp that is built using Flare's two core protocols, the FTSO for price and the ability to prove something from another network for those proofs. And ultimately, it's the first verifiably economically secure bridge. What do I mean by that? Well, if you think about a traditional, like let's just take a real simple multi-sig bridge, it might have 5 nodes or 10 nodes. And you need a majority of those nodes to basically attest a transaction across chain, and therefore to interact such that you can bridge value or information across chains. Those nodes, in the case that they're unstake, ultimately you're trusting those 10 nodes, and that's the traditional bridge design, and that's something like a wormhole. And then you might go a step further and you might say, well, those nodes should be staked. Let's create a blockchain around that. But ultimately, there's no way for that blockchain to continually make sure that it's holding more value than has been bridged. So if you think about the scenario where a blockchain that is attesting to smart contracts on different chains is holding less value or even the same amount of value as has been bridged, then there starts to be an economic incentive to screw around with the bridge. You might, for instance, get an economic incentive. Full safety attacks are very rare, but liveness attacks are feasible within these kind of bridge designs. So what the F assets does is it says, let's break that model. Let's use collateral in order to bridge something like Bitcoin. Let's make sure that collateral is always more than 1 against Bitcoin. So the collateral that we're using is a combination of stable coins, at least 1x in stable coins, and our own token, Flare, at least 1x in Flare. So it means that you always have 2x the collateral and in the bridge, so that ultimately there's no reason to screw around with the bridge. That's the basic aspect of what F assets is. It's a little more complex than that. It's quite a lot of relatively fancy economics involved, but that's the basics of F assets. It's the first verifiably economically secure bridge, and we're going to be applying it to Bitcoin and to XRP to start with.
Cool, really good. The F asset system and what Flare Network is doing, I do not see any other project like this, guys. To be very honest, it is really unique, a really unique use case, a really unique structure and infrastructure that is being built. FSX open beta minting demo DEP is live. Ready to try FSX minting. The demo for F-Test XRP minting and redemption is live on Coston FSX. This is just a taste of what's to come. The official FSX dashboard with full features is on the way. So guys, we are seeing progress, we are seeing creativity, we are seeing innovation, we are seeing development now, what we've been waiting for. I really like this team, guys, to be very honest, and I really see huge potential when it comes to Flare Network, Songbird, this ecosystem. I really think that this can become a huge infrastructure in the future and a crypto brand in the making, guys. What do you guys think about it? Do you agree with me or do you disagree? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.